Today's video, I'm gonna be making sparkling drink with Yakult and fruits. First, we're gonna add the fruit first and crush it. I'm gonna be adding cherries. Now just crush it. Now I'm gonna add the ice. Next, I'm gonna be adding Sprite. You can use sparkling water if you like. Finally, I'm gonna add the Yakult. Tastes sweet. Next, we have dragon fruit. And next, we're gonna crush it. And we're gonna add ice. And we're gonna add the Sprite. We're gonna add the Yakult. We're gonna add the straw. Next, we're gonna do Kiwi. And we're gonna crush it. Then we're gonna add the ice. Add this Sprite. And then the Yakult. This straw. A little sour. Bye everyone! I hope you enjoyed today's video. Before you leave, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!